The International Criminal Court has significantly escalated its investigation into the deadly war on drugs campaign in the Philippines, confirming the inclusion of approximately 500 new alleged instances of extrajudicial killings and systematic violence tied to the tenure of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The latest filing was confirmed by the ICC's Office of the Prosecutor, OTP, on Friday, February 13, 2026. Sources close to the pretrial chamber indicated that the expanded scope involves newly verified datasets, focusing on operations conducted between 2016 and 2019, specifically detailing alleged abuses by law enforcement and state-sanctioned vigilante groups. This expansion brings the total number of documented incidents being reviewed by the ICC, categorized as potential crimes against humanity, into the thousands. While the exact final tally remains subject to ongoing verification, the addition of 500 new counts substantially strengthens the prosecution's argument for a pattern of systematic state violence. The announcement immediately drew sharp condemnation from the Philippine government in Manila. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s administration, through the Department of Justice, reiterated its steadfast refusal to recognize the ICC's authority, maintaining that the country possesses a functional and sovereign judicial system capable of addressing any alleged violations. A formal statement released Friday morning reiterated the 2019 withdrawal from the Rome Statute, asserting that the ICC lacks any jurisdictional basis for operations within Philippine territory. Legal analysts note that the ICC's sustained pursuit of the case hinges on the principle of complementarity, arguing that the domestic judicial system has been either unwilling or unable to genuinely investigate or prosecute those responsible for high-level abuses. The confirmation of the expanded counts marks a critical juncture in the long-running probe, which has faced intermittent delays but remains active despite Manila's non-cooperation. The pretrial chamber is now expected to accelerate its review of the full dossier, raising the immediate prospect of international arrest warrants being issued for Duterte and several high-ranking former officials involved in the anti-narcotics campaign. The former president, who has repeatedly dismissed the ICC as a politically motivated body, has remained defiant, stating he would not cooperate with any international investigation. Local authorities in the Philippines have been explicitly instructed by the administration not to comply with any requests or warrants originating from The Hague. The international community, including key members of the European Union and the United States, is monitoring Manila's response closely, with potential sanctions or travel restrictions for indicted individuals now being factored into diplomatic calculations.